Do I remove shoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, can I get one ticket or?
Yeah. You can pay just cash.
Yes, I got cash. Can I get one drink too?
Yeah.
Uh, Peach, let's go. Green tea actually. Okay.